Hello everybody, welcome back to day 2 of grinding Germany until I get to top tier. Previously we unlocked the HE112 and now we are grinding up for the BF109. And I was just playing a little bit of America earlier. So yeah, we just need to do some stuff here. Alright. Oh yeah, we ate HE112V5. And next for doing this, I'm probably gonna go for a bomber next. But yeah. So got a pretty good amount of silver lions up here. So let's just go ahead and jump into a game. So today in this video, I'm hoping we can at least unlock the BF109. BF109 would be good. But yeah, they got Smolensk, and Prigorsky. I think that's how you say that. Fighting for A, and yep, start HE51. The last time I tried to film one yesterday, I had like a teammate who was in like a plane like mine, like my HE112, and he kept trying to kill our allies, so I had to go ahead and just take him out there. I wonder what their shotgun shell are doing. I got a first P36 over there. I think I got my teammates who are gonna take care of that. Trying to come up on some buildings here. Wonder what's going down. Wonder what's down below there. Think sometime maybe I might try to go hit the ground, but I gotta climb first. Climb. Climb is the name of the game. Yeah, it's about stall speed right there. So let's pull back up. We have an F3F over here. We have some stuff from back there. I think I might go for this HE112 right here. Try to go for this P36 here. Oh, there we go. I got a nice crit. Your damage there. Jeez, this guy is good at evading. There, he cannot evade me. Oh, there we go. Thank you for the assist, armored officer. Thank you so much. Alright, there was 2 there. Oh, nice. Double strike. Oh, crap. Okay, there's this. Oh, crap. I don't even know who's shooting me. And I don't even know. Oh, it's HE51C with him. Yeah, I'm moving the speed quick and fast. He's gonna pull up ahead of me. Hopefully, he pulls down. I'm praying that he pulls down in front of me so I can try to, shoot him down. But I think I'm done here. I can't pull up. Yep. 2 artillery destroyed. I'd say that was pretty good. Yeah, but alright, yeah, this. I'm pulling out our B1. Okay. I think leave a comment down below which country you guys want me to grind next. Do you guys want me to show you all my plans for America and grind out America, or do you want me to grind out France. Tell me which one, and I'll grind it out after I'm done grinding Germany. Is there like any sort of seatbelt or something in here holding it in? Nope. Okay, teleport to bread number 1, DF1 the night ahead. Let's see which one's gonna be about closest. They're holding position pretty good over A, P26. So I'm gonna try to come in here and try to take it back. Alright, looks like we got a P26, B. Jeez, I can't get a hit off. Wow. Yeah, I was dead from the start. Boom. Toast. Leaked toast. Let's go with HE112V5. This thing, like, I'll show you guys right now. This thing is pretty good at pulling up when it's close to the ground. Like, here, I'll show you guys right now. Cut back on the throttle. Like here, let's do this again. Boom, see? And I know you guys are gonna say, oh, but that plane can do that. However, try it with a lot of other planes. They can't pull up that good. This is one of the reasons why Germany is one of the best trees in the game. There we go, got a good hit off on him. Got him. Ooh, I guess I can go ahead and come over here and just try to put him out of his misery. HE51 to P400. Oh, there's BF2C heading over here quickly. I could probably try to get him over. Or this looks like it's closer. No, that was coming closer. I don't. WWW. Go down. There we go. Got him. X1K. Yep. Chat. GG. We are officially cooked. Bro just came. I already for Bro came by and just like deleted it. Oh no, it was behind me. Who is that? I'll say it. Teleported bread. Oh no, bread. It was an HE. It was bread ran. Okay, I just scored 1 kill assist. 643. Fun fact, your score, it maxes out at 600. So, yeah, I just thought you guys might want to know that. But, I'm gonna hop back in here. Distance. Alrighty, so, going to research. Okay, pretty good. I haven't really collected much yet. Still going, but yeah. Probably still gonna be going for a while. I don't really want to have to wait. I don't really want to wait because it might be too long. It might be scrapped. Might have to be scrapped, but yeah. So pretty good. Got some good targets off. I think we got like 6, 7 kills all in all with this, that. Yeah, I could do a little customization. Nose art. Yeah, blue eye. Okay. Probably put that on. Alright. Okay, I'd say that looks pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. I'm gonna go test out this BF-109 with a rainy tennis. So I'm gonna go test this out because I want to see how good it is. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. Oh boy. Maybe I can still save this. Maybe I can still save it. Alright, shut up. Yeah, this thing got installed out quickly. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of critical speed going quite the nose down warning, so I don't know if I don't know how good this thing's really good. But anyway, yeah. Totally a great plane. You know what I mean? Actually, I had some other stuff down here. That guy looks weird. It's a jet fighter? I don't really look like a fighter jet. But it's came to the big bird skyver, so, yeah, air defense fighter. Maybe the next thing I research. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Oh, okay. So, yep, just got this. So, radiator. So, radiator. Airframe. Alrighty. Yeah, sure. I purchased this. Alrighty. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go down, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.